Yeah, you'll find the right renter at the right time. In the meantime, what do you got to say? In the meantime,
you'd be a good auctioneer.
I actually done that before.
I can totally see that.
Can I get a $1 bid into what I want to bet a $1 bid now? I'm gonna bet a $2 bid now, and a $2 bid now,
You're so natural at it. What? I can actually see that because you ramble so much.
Yeah, you do it now. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. Two. What?
I said, okay, stop. But I need to be open to other people just because, yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen. But you hear my
transmission?
What is that?
It's a whining noise on my transmission.
Is it bad? Is your truck falling apart?
Well, it's not falling apart, but it does need some tranny work.
Tranny.
Transmission, not tranny. Best.
I know, right? Everything's meaning is changing.
You heard the
now when
line,
you say
right?
tranny, you automatically think transvestite, transsexual.
No, I don't, because I have a clean mind. So, pulled up alongside of the road here to get a little shot of the mine shaft.
Dun, dun, dun. Don't open my ass. Secret entrance.
Secret entrance. Nobody knows the secret entrance. All right, on the road again.
Anywhere you wanna go, anywhere the wind blows, always high and